here. Agenda is showcase of demo portal / demo logs, and it's all about KQL now. KQL is the Kusto Query Language. Most of the Microsoft product supports it. The workspace is there. The data explorer is there. Most of the devices are supporting KQL, and there is a lot of demand in the market for the KQL expert. So guys who knows the KQL language, okay, it is known as Kusto Query Language. So demo portal, I've already given you a brief overview about the demo portal. Let's dig deeper into the KQL. I'll be moving to my demo portal for this. One second. This is my demo portal. Okay, I have huge chunk of logs available here. Okay, guys, if you want to do the practicals on any other logs as well, you can do it. Okay, I have this practical present here. For example, the first part is he's searching the perf. Okay, perf table. So there is a perf table. Where it is. Actually, I have to. Actually, what is happening here is, let me just merge them first of all. So there are multiple tables created. This Sentinel, Microsoft has defined them under a category. For example, Azure Monitor for VMs, change tracking. Inside them, multiple tables are there. Okay, I'm just looking for perf table. Here is the perf table. What perf table contains basically is performance counter from Microsoft Windows and Linux agents that provide insights into performance of hardware components, operating system, and application. So this is basically getting the performance counter on the Windows and Linux agent. This is the table basically. So I want to search it basically. First of all, if you want to search any table, you have to provide the table name at the first part. Okay, I have written perf. How it is written here, similarly you have to define it there. Okay, you hit on run. Before run, there is a time range also mentioned, so you can select your time range, whatever time range you want to select. So let me hit run. So this is now your results basically. Let me make it bigger screen. So these all are my results. The time generated, the computer name, object name, these are columns basically that are returned from this perf table. Okay, so generally it is just giving you the counter, basically the average second transfer, these all other stuff. Okay, these all are the column names at the top, and the data is below them. Okay, C drive, D drive, hard disk volume, a lot of data is there. They have a large set of data, demo data, so you can search there. Now I want to search basically the keyword memory. Okay, wherever the memory is present, just hello.
Sir, suppose we need to check like raw logs, then
Raw logs about,
like
there will be a raw
device.
logs tab also. It is not appearing here for, but some of them the raw logs tab will also appear there.
Okay.
Let me just, I think, showcase you here at the bottom. Raw logs tab will be there. I'll check, man. For this one, raw log is not there. I'll check and let you know. Okay. Now my requirement is I want to search the keyword memory anywhere in the logs, not specific to any column, not specific to anything. I want to search the keyword memory. My manager comes to me and he says, okay, so just tell me the number of records for it is called as record, guys. Every row is called as a record. So there are 30,000 plus records that are returned, and this is the time frame in which they got returned in 6 seconds. Okay. So I want to search the keyword memory. So you have to type search, basically pipe search, similarly how we do it in Splunk, and then double quotes memory, double quotes, and hit enter. So again, it's like a key value pair again. So this object name, this counter name, these are queue, and inside them values are present. So wherever now memory is appearing, see the count has reduced 22,569. Okay, wherever memory is present in any of the columns, it is going to return the results. Okay, second thing is, this is case insensitive, correct? This value is case insensitive. I'm searching the value, basically it is case insensitive. I'm typing in small, but it is picking the large one as well, this capital M, memory. It is case insensitive. If you want to make your search case sensitive, then you have to add a parameter kind is equal to case underscore insensitive or sensitive, and then hit run. So now your this memory will be case sensitive. See, it is not returning any result now because now it is case sensitive. So you have to provide the proper value memory. Sorry, hit run. Now it is giving results, correct. To include case sensitivity, you have to put kind is equal to case underscore sensitive. I think see, you can relate this one if you have worked on Splunk. You can pretty much relate it to Splunk, how queries run in Splunk. Similarly, it is happening here. For the guys who are very new to KQL, you can start from scratch as well. Okay, just for the guys who are familiar with Splunk processing language, they will find it very easy. But for new guys, it will be a little bit tough task. But yeah, everything is easy, not hard. One more thing, whenever you are running any command, you have to provide a pipe before that. So just remember it.